Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some awesome freebies for you to start off your Monday grind. Question is, are you ready? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some awesome freebies for you, and we know everybody likes freebies, and these are kind of unique in their own right. I like them. I thought you would too. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check these watch faces out, right? The name of the first one is called 12/24-hour Kryptonite. Now, I'm liking the look of this. I'm loving the animation as well. Even in the always on mode, surprisingly, it looks really, really good. Now, when the watch face is on, of course, you got animation that's going on around the bezel of the watch. Kind of looks like the Green Lantern kind of thing. Now, in the center, you're going to get animation as well. You can see little lines going around in a circle. You also get dead center, the day of the week, your digital time, and the date. Now, if you come all the way down, of course, you're going to get your step info, and it is in the active. So if I tap on it, I can go in and get my steps, calorie burned information. And if I tap here, I can get my battery info. Over here, I'm going to get, I can send a text message, clear that up, and or I can make a phone call. So I thought that was pretty cool. And if I tap dead center, I'm able to go into my settings, tweak whatever I need to tweak to make my watch last. All right, you all, that's watch face number one. Let's check out watch face number two. Number two, this one is super, super slick. You guys got to hit me in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts on this one. I am loving on this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called Simple Black Digital Watch Face. It's a very nice looking digital watch face at that. Super unique. This one definitely is a battery saving watch face at that. Now, it only comes in 24 hours, and I have not found a 12-hour watch face like this yet. Now, in the always on mode though, right? Now it shows the time in 12 hours. Go figure, right? I thought that was very different considering that this is not a 24-hour watch face, but it definitely looks good. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts about this one. Let's check out watch face number three. Now I'm loving number three. First of all, number three is basic, it's simple, and it is straight to the point. This watch face is meant to be worn throughout your work week, whether you're hanging out in the garden, whether you're going to work, whether you're just hanging out for the day. This is the watch face you want to play. Now, in the always on mode, you pretty much get a simple digital time, which is all you need to be able to see at a glance. But when the watch face is on, I'm loving the simplicity. I like the look. I like that it's straightforward. At the top, you're going to get whether it's cloudy, whether it's sunny, whether it's raining in your area. Also, you're going to get the day of the week, the date, and the month. Now, also what I like most of all is that you got a big, bold digital numbers for your time, which for a guy like me, I can't see. This is perfect. Now, you come all the way down. It gives you not only the weather, but it also gives you the humidity as well, which I thought that was very nice to put on the watch face. Also, in text, it lets you know what kind of day it is as well. So I thought this was a good look. It's not an interactive watch face. This one here, again, is meant to be worn every day. A simple everyday watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.